Here's how to use ChatGPT group chat. So ChatGPT is now has a built-in group chat feature allowing you to invite up to 20 people. Now what you need to do is go to your ChatGPT application, and then afterwards you'll be able to see there the plan. So now you can go ahead and select the plan that you wanted to go ahead first, but take note that the group chat is available for a free trial. Now click on the plus icon, click on the start group chat options, and then afterwards you will be able to see there the group chat that you created. Now to invite people, what you need to do is to click on the invite link, copy the link, and share it with the people that you wanted to have a group chat with ChatGPT with. Now you can go ahead and start chatting with the group chat with the AI of ChatGPT, and now you can go ahead and use this for group projects so that it can help you create a plan, outline, as well as do the prompts that you needed for a group.